welcome you to the Connector Trail. This is the future site of the Connector Trail that's going to extend the Bruce Freeman Rail Trail into the city. It's also part of the larger Bay Circuit Trail. We're so excited to have this done. As you can see, I'm walking along. There's this aerosol art corridor here. You might want to call this graffiti, but I've learned a lot about graffiti. There's a whole hierarchy of artists and how they communicate with each other and how they police each other out here. They write over each other's artwork. It's constantly moving. They give each other permission to write over it, and there's different caliber of aerosol art out here. It's really fascinating to come out here and watch it over time. Unfortunately, it's an illegal activity, and we're hoping to make this the first sanctioned place for public art, aerosol art in the state, because there is no permanently sanctioned place for aerosol art in the state right now. So we're hoping to build that into this trail extension. So essentially the trail is going to, the Bruce Freeman Rail Trail ends at Cross Point, and it's going to extend onto the Lowell Connector. You might even hear the highway above me right now. And it's going to extend all the way to the back of the Target parking lot. So from where I'm standing, this is Cross Point, and in this direction is the Bruce Freeman Rail Trail. They cut over to the Concord River Greenway through the city's cemeteries. There's a bus stop there and everything, and that's all part of the Bay Circuit Trail. Or you can travel along the edge of the Target parking lot and River Meadowbrook, and that'll take you right to the LRTA terminal. So we're really excited about all the connections that this one connector trail makes. So once again, just so excited that this is happening this summer. We're so excited to have you all be part of the celebration for making sure that this happens and helping us make this happen. We're grateful to our Senator Kennedy, who helped bring an earmark in. There's a grant from the Gateway Cities program that came to the city, and the Jarvis Auto Dealership also gave the city an easement to make this corridor happen. So we're super excited, and we're so grateful to have all your support. Thank you.